How to pair Bluetooth headset with Nokia. You can connect your phone with many useful Bluetooth devices. For example, with a wireless headset, you can speak on the phone hands-free. You can continue what you're doing, such as working at your computer, during a call. Connecting a phone to a Bluetooth device is called pairing. 1. Tap Settings GT, Bluetooth. 2. Switch Bluetooth to on. 3. Make sure the other device is switched on. You may need to start the pairing process from the other device. 4. To pair your phone and the device, tap the device on the list of discovered Bluetooth devices. 5. You may need to type in a passcode. 6. Disconnect a paired Bluetooth device. If you don't need to keep your phone connected to the other device anymore, you can disconnect them. 1. Tap Settings GT, Bluetooth. 2. Tap the name of the paired device. 3. Tap OK to confirm. When you switch the other device on again, the connection reopens automatically. Remove a pairing. If you no longer have the device with which you paired your phone, you can remove the pairing. 1. Tap Settings GT, Bluetooth. 2. Tap Settings next to a device name. 3. Tap Forget. Connect to your friend's phone with Bluetooth. You can use Bluetooth to wirelessly connect to your friend's phone, to share photos, and much more. 1. Tap Settings GT, Bluetooth. 2. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on in both phones. 3. Make sure the phones are visible to each other. You need to be a Bluetooth settings view for your phone to be visible to other phones. 4. You can see the Bluetooth phones within range. Tap the phone you wanted to connect to. 5. If the other phone needs a passcode, type in or accept the passcode, and tap pair. The passcode is only used when you connect to something for the first time. Send your content using Bluetooth. When you want to share your content or send photos you've taken to a friend, use Bluetooth to send them to compatible devices. 1. Tap Settings GT, Bluetooth. 2. Switch Bluetooth to on. 3. Go to the content you want to send, and tap Share GT, Bluetooth. 4. Tap the device to connect to. You can see the Bluetooth devices within range. 5. If the other device needs a passcode, type in the passcode. The passcode, which you can make up, must be typed in on both devices. The passcode in some devices is fixed. The location of the received files depends on the other device.